We love fun science. We love working in the lab. We love mind fueling.
Thank you. Group C. Does anyone want to say theirs for Group C?
Someone from Group C, go! If you don't want to come down, you can say it from where you are.
All right, come on down. And then Group D and E, if you also want to send people up, so they're already here.
Yeah, please.
All right.
Science is teamwork. Synthetic biology makes our lives better.
DNA is great. Making a double helix. We all contain it.
And finally, Group E. Does someone want to talk for Group E? All right.
Oh my God, go! Yeah! Go! We're so proud of you.
We aim to practice synthetic biology, sustainable STEM.